Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Thrive to Trade. So today I did some trading on Nifty 50. आप लोगों ने सबने नोटिस किया होगा बैंक निफ्टी एंड निफ्टी 50 has been showing a good upside movement since last 4 to 5 days, 4 days to be precise. Or we have seen a very good upside movement. We have seen a good gap up openings in all the 4 consecutive days. So I'll try to show you in one day chart what exactly how bank nifty has been behaving since last 4 days. So here you can see bank nifty has been continuously up. Nifty 50 has been continuously up since last 4 days, and all the 4 days consecutively it has been up with a gap up opening. So now this is showing a very good bullish trend. If you will notice it is showing a very good bullish trend, and it is all-time high. In bank nifty, it is all-time high in nifty 50. So you can say that bullish is completely overpowering the entire bank nifty and nifty 50, and there is a good positive sentiments for bullish traders. So here if I'll show you in 15 minutes chart, you can see यहाँ पे एक ट्रेंड लाइन बनाया था बैंक निफ्टी 50 ने. इस ट्रेंड लाइन का ब्रेकआउट आने पर I was planning to get into the trade. So this was the trend line. I'll also suggest that if you're trying to make a trend line, try to do it in 15 minutes zone. It gives a very good clarity. It gives a very precise a trend which is going on in the market. So here you can see the trend broke out at around 230, and it kind of created a range bound, the rectangular zone which you're seeing right now in front of your screen. It created a rectangular zone, a range bound moment, and I was actually waiting for this range bound moment to break out or break down, and then I would have taken the trade. So this was the range bound moment which was there, and it was a clear picture that market is not going to give it. आपका theta decay होता है if you are there in the range bound. If you take any entry in range bound moment, even though there is a breakout or a breakdown, there won't be much profit because you lose on to your capital, as the value of money gets decreased with the increasing time. So I also tried to trade today in fib retracement. This was the first time I used fib retracement. So for the people who don't know what fib retracement is, it is basically just a indicator to show you the support and resistance of the ongoing chart, of the ongoing candlesticks, of the ongoing pattern which is going on, which you see in your in front of your screen. So here it is. I started the day was started with the green candle, and if you can see at the top it made a red candle where the market retraced and started a downwards trend. So here you can see that market started a downward trends after 23.6%, 0.236%. So it basically tells you that the sellers are sitting at 0.236 level, and you can see a downward trend after that. So that is actually your resistance level. So this is showing you your resistance level. We'll just simply mark that resistance level, and I'm marking 0.61, which is 61%, is because basically everyone takes this as a base where market is going to react. And if you will see today also, if you will see, market reacted with the third candle, which is a red candle, and tried to break 61%, but it was it was a failed attempt by sellers to break that zone. यहाँ पे clear picture था that you can go for a call option. क्योंकि वो जो थर्ड कैंडल बना है उसके ऊपर क्लोज हुआ था ग्रीन कैंडल, एंड इट इज़ अ क्लियर मोमेंट, इट इज़ अ क्लियर इंडिकेशन दैट यू कैन गो फॉर a call option and you can easily capture 40-50 points basically, which could have given you a good return on the capital you have invested. So again when you see 23-28 के अराउंड 23% के अराउंड आपने देखा कि रिट्रेसमेंट आया है, नीचे जा रहा है मार्केट. एंड हियर ऑल्सो इफ यूल सी मार्केट केम डाउन, मार्केट ब्रोक 23 zone, market broke 32 zone. It gives a clear indication that market is going to go down, and it is going to go down till 78% where it started from. Or if not it can also go down till 61%, it can also go down till 81%. You'll have to keep tracking. You can put a trail stop loss in this particular way, but you have an idea that market एक 23% तक पहुंचा है, उसके बाद रिट्रेसमेंट ले रहा है. अब वो रिट्रेसमेंट हो सकता है वो सिर्फ 32 तक ले, वो रिट्रेसमेंट हो सकता है कि वो थोड़ा सा ही ले, बट इस थोड़े से में यू कैन ईजिली विद स्कैल्पिंग स्ट्रैटेजी यू कैन ईजिली मेक अ गुड रिटर्न ऑन योर कैपिटल, अ डिसेंट रिटर्न ऑन योर कैपिटल. So if you understand stop loss, if you understand support resistance level, then very good. This is basically just to tell you support and resistance level. So एक तरह का indicator है, this is not something very magical which will make you profits. This will just show you कि आपका मार्केट कहाँ से नीचे जा सकता है, आपका मार्केट कहाँ से ऊपर जा सकता है, which is a very big thing when you enter into the market. If you have a certain idea कि market कहाँ से ऊपर जा सकता है, you can make a good decent amount of profit. So this is how it was. Feb retracement, this was the first time I used Feb retracement, and it was a good experience. It was a good experience. However, earlier to this I used to mark horizontal lines on the सपोर्ट एंड रेजिस्टेंस जोन. सो यहाँ पे अगर आपने देखेंगे एक रेड कलर का रेक्टेंगुलर लाइन मैंने ड्रॉ किया है, विच वॉज जस्ट टू शो द सपोर्ट लेवल. एंड whenever you take entry, make sure when you see that support level is broken, and after that a candle is made which is higher than the candle which broke the support level, enter after that. Don't enter as soon as the support is broken, क्योंकि वो फेक ब्रेकआउट हो सकता है, वो ब्रेकआउट करके तुरंत नीचे आ गया, then you will make your losses. So here I am marking on each and every level जहाँ पे फेब रिट्रेसमेंट मुझे बता रहा है कि आपका support and resistance बना है. So this is all the levels which I am trying to mark, which is basically showing me support and resistance level. So every level you will see that there is a retracement which has happened, and every level where retracement has happened is a signature where you can either buy a call option or either buy a put option. So this is how Feb retracement helps. So you just not follow Feb retracement, you have to follow volume chart, which you can see at the bottom of the screen. I have a volume chart. यहाँ पे at 19,257, somewhere around 19,257 there was a support which was created by the market, and volume was very high. After that green candle was made. So and you don't have to enter as soon as the green candle was made. You have to enter जब उसके टॉप को एक दूसरे ग्रीन कैंडल ने ब्रेक किया. If you will see the other green candle was made at the top of the green candle. So here you can easily make a good entry. So here I have again put Feb retracement which is trying to show where market is going afterwards, because एक trend आपका बन गया, market is going up, market has come down, and then market is again trying to go up. It may not reach to the level. So that was I'm saying कि एक trend आपका बन जाता है, and then you put at the bottom you put Fib chart, Fib retracement chart, and then you see कि 50% कहाँ आ रहा है, 61% कहाँ आ रहा है, where is it trying to retrace. As you can see in the second fib retracement chart, the retracement that is happening is at 61.8%, and every times at 61.8% there is generally a retracement that happens, and that is the reason many of the traders would always look for 61.8% of the zone of 0.618 zone while using the fib chart, and that is how it works, and basically it is just a indicator to show you how market is going to react. It is not a magic जहाँ से आपका प्रॉफिट बनना शुरू हो जाए. It is just for you to understand the market, understand the zones, understand the support and resistance level. So here how it was in Nifty chart, tried to break the trend line which we had created in 15 minutes time zone, and afterwards it went sideways. So when I do trading, I basically use two major chart, indicators. One is 5 EMA and another one is 21 EMA. So अगर आप आज देखेंगे 5 EMA आप देखेंगे तो 5 EMA has given a very clear indications to make profits. Here you can see the red zone after at the high के बाद जब लो लगाने लगा तब आप देखेंगे कि 5 EMA के लगातार नीचे बनते जा रहा था और हर एक कैंडल का हाई ब्रेक होते जा रहा था. दिस इज अ वेरी क्लियर इंडिकेशन दैट यू कैन गो फॉर पुट बाइंग. एंड सेम वे इफ यू सी the upside movement after the fib retracement that happened at 0.618 zone, the second low that was created, you will see that the 5 EMA was there and market was continuously going up, breaking highs of the previous candle in the 5 EMA, and it is a clear indication that you are going to make profits in your call option. So this is one of the very good indication, 5 EMA and 21 EMA, but of course it depends. You have to choose your own setup. अगर आप अपना एक setup choose करते हैं and you feel confident about that setup, you can go ahead and keep using that. Don't get carried away with multiple setups because it is always confusing. I am right now struggling with multiple setups, and I'm trying to find my own setup which is going to give me a good, not good profit, but a good confidence to go ahead and trade. So right now 5 and 21 EMA is something which I am a little confident about, but again I'm trying to explore multiple indicators and multiple multiple indicators basically. So here I'm trying to show you how I booked profit on I try to book profit, and I book profit on 1:2 ratio. यहाँ पे जब आपने देखा when fib indicator gave a indication that market is going to retrace at 61.8%. अगर आपने वहाँ पे ट्रेड लिया रहता, putting your stop loss, putting your ratio 1:2, here this would have been your target. आपका 750 का लॉस होता और आपका कुछ 1500-1600 का प्रॉफिट होता. You could have taken the risk of 700-750 and the reward was somewhere around 15,500. So this is what it is. This is how it is done. You don't have to aim for when you are starting, of course you don't have to aim for, I don't aim for bigger volume, bigger I don't try to catch bigger movement. I'm trying to capture 1:2, 1:3, sometimes 1:4 kind of a return. Basically 5% का loss or 10% की profit. In today's position I did not make profit, but it was 5% loss, and I'm satisfied if there is a 5% loss. I don't want to hit 10, 20, 30% losses, because that is nothing, that is going to just erode your capital. So 5% का loss हुआ, but it was not a bad trading day. Even it was not profitable, it was a good trading day because I was in profit. But one wrong decision of course can erode your entire day's entire day's profit. But make sure that you don't erode your capital. Keep your capital with you. Do proper risk management. Without risk management, there won't be possibility that you will gain profits. So this is what I did. 5% loss, it's okay. We'll have tomorrow as the expiry and we are going to aim for bigger returns, 10 maximum 15%, and then we'll be satisfied with the returns. And of course, if we'll see the market, if market is giving a good trending, market is going to be trending, then we'll put trailing stop losses and we'll try to book a profit as we go with the market gradually. So I just want to give you an update. So there's a basic challenge which I've started. I'm planning to buy an iPhone with 10,000 rupees of capital, which I'm going to put in the market, and let's see how it goes. My target would be to buy an iPhone with the 10,000 capital, and I'm hoping to do this as soon as possible. So let's see, market is very unpredictable. Let's see how it goes. Aiming to get it done in couple of months probably, because I'm learning. I don't have much capital. I'm using a minimum capital. 10,000 is a very minimum capital that you can utilize, you can use for trading, and I'm trying to gain 1.4, 1.5 with this capital gradually. And this is not something which cannot happen in the market. This is something which can happen, and I will try to do it. Let's see where we go, and let's see how it is done. Let's see how it is done. So I just request you guys to stay tuned and keep track of my challenge, and let's see how we progress together. And also will gradually learn a lot of things when we are doing this challenge. So I request you all to please subscribe, comment on my videos. It will help me learn, help you learn. Share my videos with your friends, colleagues, in your WhatsApp group, wherever you can, and subscribe to my channel. And see you again tomorrow. Tomorrow is a bank Fin Nifty expiry. Hoping for a good return, a decent profit tomorrow. So stay tuned. Please follow, like and subscribe, and share. Thank you for watching.